first thing that we're gonna DIY is this plain black t-shirt. For this you will need a pair of scissors and a cute patch, a pin and thread, and I'm also using this embroidery hoop just to keep my fabric tight. So here I'm just drawing out the design that I want with the help of a chalk. I just simply drew the mehndi design with a couple of leaves. So I just put the smaller hoop on the inside and then the bigger hoop on the outside. As you can see, there is a hole which I'm going to cover with the patch. So with the help of the needle, just started to do the embroidery, and then I started outlining my design using a runny stitch, that's what it's called. And for the leaves, I'm just making stitches that go from the outer outline to the inner outline, and not gonna lie, it takes a pretty long time. I'm using this stiff thread just to make it look a little bit messy, cause that's how I wanted it. When you're done, here is how you can tie it off at the back. You can either anchor your thread to the thread of your fabric or your embroidery thread. And here I'm placing the butterfly patch and similarly going to sew it on the end of all 4 wings. And yeah, this is how it looks. And here is me with my unflattering moves. Yeah, this is a t-shirt that I stole from my brother's wardrobe. So I marked with whatever I got. I think so it's an orange highlighter where I wanted my t-shirt to be cropped, and then I cropped it. And with the help of sewing machine, I hemmed the edges. And now I wanted my sleeves to look a bit more like folded, you know. I'm going to just stitch a little bit on both the sides. As you can see, I tried to do it with the machine, but it wasn't pretty secure. So I decided to do it by myself. So I just did like 3-4 stitches on each side on both sleeves. And yeah, I'm loving it. This is the third one. I wore this too many times but can't get over it. It always gives me those summery, chill vibes that I love. So as the ritual goes, we are going to crop it, and don't throw the bottom part because we need that part, okay? So guys, this is the bottom part. I'm opening it from one side. So now I'm just cutting off the already hemmed part and going to use it as our strap. So this is going to be our strap. I'm just double folding the side and going to stitch it like so. And from the left out fabric, I'm going to cut a small portion. Once I'm done, with the help of chalk, I'm tracing where I want the stitches to be. I will be doing 3 straight stitches. So once I hem the bottom portion, I'm going to fold the t-shirt inside out. I'm going to start my stitches with like manual stitches, yeah. And then I will be sewing down 3 straight stitches down the length of the front of the t-shirt to create the channels for my strap. So I'm starting it with the right side. And you have to do the same thing on both the left sides. So you have the channels created. Make sure that your channels are wide enough to feed your strap. So with the help of safety pin, I'm passing this strap. Once it's done, just closing the top portion with a straight stitch. And yeah. And this is the final look. It looks more pretty with the beautiful sleeves, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.